back to my channel, to Beauty, Health and Style. This is Sadhana. Guys, today's video is going to be a very special video because many of you have requested me since a very long time to make a video on blackheads removal on the use on charcoal. So today I'm going to do the review and the demo for you. So this video is going to be for you and those who love watching a video on blackheads removal. So keep on watching because today is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So guys, let's start this video. So guys, I'm going to do the review and the demo of this Japanese product, which is the Pore Pack Natural Charcoal, and I got this from Daiso and I paid about 100 yen, that is $1.50, and there's 4 sheets inside, and this is the first time I'm going to use this one because I was always using this biore and I like this one. This all got finished and this only face strips are left. The nose strips are all got finished, and this I got from Walmart and I really like this one. So this is the first time I'm going to use this one because this is not available and I have to order from Amazon. So I'm going to use this for the first time. So I'm going to give you my honest review whether how is this one. So let's see the instructions. The instructions written in Japanese and in English. So let me read and let me tell you what exactly is written inside this. The instruction says, wet your nose and the surrounding skin with water after washing your face. Pack will not stick without sufficient moisture. Do not wet the pack directly. Remove the pack from the transparent sheet with dry hands and the smooth surface from the center along the shape of your nose, and press out any trapped air. Dry for 10 to 15 minutes, it says, and you have to use it at least once a week or twice a week. So I think once a week is perfect. Okay, guys, let me zoom now, and now we will wet our nose with water. So my nose is nice and wet now. Hands have to be nice and dry before you open this. So we have to open this way. This is the pack. We have to open it now. Oh my god, guys, this has some chemical smell, guys. It smells like some alcohol, some chemical. That biore doesn't have any fragrance, any smell, and this has a particular smell. So guys, so now we'll trip it off. It says, my god, the smell is very strong. So we have to put it this way. And I have blackheads here in the corner. Very tightly you have to fix it. You have to press nicely that there is no air. So guys, we're going to keep this at least for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll make my nice cold coffee and I'll be back after 15 minutes. So guys, I waited for 15 minutes and it's become very dry and very hard. So now we will peel it off gently, very slowly, as it says in the instructions. So you're going to gently peel it off so it removes all the blackheads. It's not that painful as the biore one. Oh, guys. I'm going to show you. I'm going to zoom this. I'm going to show you guys. So guys, I'll show you. This looks gross, but it did quite a good job. It removed most of the blackheads, the whiteheads, and the hairs, and all the dirt, guys. You can see, guys, I'm zooming in so you can see better. And I'm quite impressed with this product. Not bad. You can see, guys. So guys, I'll give you my honest review. All my blackheads did not get removed. 90% of my blackheads got removed. But if I'm going to use it the second time this nose strip, then my blackheads are going to get removed. So at one time, all your blackheads will not get removed. Yes, but this product is really good. It's really worth it. So if you have a Daiso next to your place, you must definitely check out this product. It's really good. It does a good job and it works so well. And not only that, it makes your nose nice and clean and smooth, and it removes most of your blackheads and your whiteheads and those dirt and the little hair, those thorns like hairs. Oh my god, it just removed that, and your nose feels nice and smooth and clean and fresh, and I'm just loving it. So guys, this product is really worth it. So if you see it, definitely you must definitely buy it. But of course, this the smell in this product is really, everybody cannot bear the smell, but it has a little bit of alcohol or some chemical or something. So if you cannot bear it, so you have to look out. If you can bear it, then you must definitely buy this. But this is really a good product. I can really recommend you. If you see it, definitely you must definitely check it out, and this does a great job also. So if you're going to use it the second time, you'll see all your blackheads are gone, because blackhead doesn't remove so easily. So this is very quick. In 15 minutes your nose looks nice and clean and smooth, and you feel so fresh, you know, to see your nose is shining. So my nose is shining. See guys, it's so smooth, so clean. I'll just zoom it and I'll show you. See guys, most of my blackheads are gone. So only I think few are just remain. That when I do it the next time, it's going to go. You can see guys. So I'm really happy with this product. So it's really done a great job, guys. So guys, this was my video for today, and if you liked and enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do share with all your friends this video, guys. And guys, let me know what videos you would like to see next on my channel. I would love to take your requests, guys. Guys, till then, take good care of yourself. Keep yourself happy. Bye guys. Love you all.